Nice. All right, YouTube. So today on the table, we have a brushless 1/14 scale monster truck from Host Speed. So supposedly this is a really good RC. I don't know too much about it other than a video I seen from Evan at Derby RC.
So I just did a video on this little knockoff gravedigger truck, and it was actually super awesome.
You see here the model number is HS14411. It does say black hole right here, and I think they might be referring to the hole I got on the box right here, so that's always good. As you can see here, it has a 50 amp ESC brushless motor ready to run, high torque servo, metal adjustable shock absorbers. The information I have says they're oil filled, but on the videos I've seen they're not, so that's a bummer. The whole drivetrain is metal, and you also get ball bearings. Now, since this is a basher, put a hole in the side of the box I'm not too worried about, so let's just get it out this way and make sure it's all right. That didn't go as planned. All right, so there it is. There is our monster truck. It is looking good. No damage that I can see. Let's just get it off this pedestal. Ooh, yep, it's a bouncy one. I can confirm. All right, so things that come included with the RC, you get your manual. I do like looking at these funny photos sometimes in these manuals. This one says, do not drive in front of 3000 GTs. Always wanted a VR4. This one says, do not drive a VR4 in water. This one says, do not mess with brushless motors, because if you F around, you'll find out why. And this one says, do not let little kids swallow RC parts. That's important. We also get our famous wheel nut wrench, Phillips screwdriver, USB charger, and our battery. So this is a 2S 1500 milliamp hour modular battery, Dean's connector. I'm not too fond of these, but I know why they use them, so you know, it's kind of foolproof. And finally, here we have our transmitter, foam wheel, sporty, retracts. We have the power button, then we have steering trim, steering dual rate, and the speed button. Make sure that thing's cranked up. Yep, it is, so that's good. I like the feel of this thing. I was holding it earlier, and it's not too bad. And I do realize that I've seen this transmitter before. I just can't put my finger on where, but I do have this in my collection for something. I don't remember what it is. So this monster truck does look really great, I must say. Halloween is coming up, and this definitely does put me in the holiday spirit because it is my favorite holiday. The little dude inside is strapped in the center like he should be. It's a nice touch. These graphics are super sick. I really like them. And overall, the monster truck just looks really good. Now, I do have a low-C LMT, so here it is for scale purposes. I don't like taking this thing outside because I like it too much, and it is kind of expensive. So this is an indoor RC, and this will be my outdoor monster truck RC. The mini LMT is a 1/18 scale, and this is a 1/14. And yeah, not too bad for a budget monster truck. So the tires on the mini LMT are very soft, very grippy. They almost feel deflated like. These, however, feel very balloony. There's a nice thick foam in there, I believe. And they are very grippy. So they should be pretty good. So when you take the body off this thing, watch out for this little cable for the LED lights. You can rip that right out. Checking out the chassis, we can see that 50 amp 2-in-1 ESC, 2847 4000 kV brushless motor. Has a nice heat sink, fairly large. Then we have the servo, solid steering links, and our metal adjustable friction shocks, metal CVDs, front and rear. Nice LED lights in the front bumper and the body, so that's cool. Also has a big wheelie bar. I really like that. So to put the battery on, you just undo the latch, swivel it out the way, put the battery on, just like that. And then you just latch it back on. There we go. Not too bad. The drivetrain is nice and smooth, no binding, nothing like that. But yeah, this does have some MJX vibe going on. Overall, it's not too bad. I hear good things about it, so we'll see how it does. All right, let's get a quick speed run in and turn the RC on. All right, looks like it's all set. I like the lights in the front and on the roof. Whoa. All right, so I do like how this thing slides. And wow, it does go pretty good on 2S. This thing's pretty fun on 2S. Definitely has a good amount of get up. Yeah. So it does wheelie also on 2S, which is nice. Right out the box. Tires slide really nice. All right, stop read. 26 miles an hour, not too bad. All right, so I had to quickly swap locations because the fields were getting mowed at the previous one. I'm at this creepy little factory, so it's a perfect vibe for this RC, that's for sure. I do have my Ergenix battery in there. It fits in like a glove, I gotta say, like it was meant for it. Nice fitment there. Just gotta tuck this away. All right, we are all set, ready to go. Let's see it wheelie now. Oh man, oh, maybe that's a little too much. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. This thing moves, dude. Oh. Oh. Whoa, what a beast. Oh, man. All right. So at the time of this video, the new Quakes and Gorgons came out. And those are nice and all, but they are brushed. So they're not too fast, but they do have some down low power. But this thing is just an animal. Oh, especially on 3S. Oh, we're flipping. Oh, we tumbled. Yeah, just holds the wheelie, that's nice. But yeah, this thing's brushless. And I think it's like, oh, the brakes are a little sensitive. But yeah, this thing's all brushless at a good price point. I think it's around $130, maybe a little bit less, like $115. But man, it is good fun. Really moves on 3S. All right, let's give it a nice good pin pass and see what it does for speed. Oh, bring it back. All right, stop read, 30 miles an hour. Wow, it's almost doing 40. That's quite the difference, 26 to 40. This thing moves. Woo! I don't think the durability is in question at this point. Nice! Oh, that would have been awesome if it really landed it. Oh yeah, buddy! Wow. All right. It's taking hits. That's for sure. Eats them. Double backflip. Nice. Triple, still going. Ooh. That was a bad hit. Still good. That's where it hit. Took it. Nice. Oh. This thing's tough, man. Nice. Oh. Right in the rocks, damn. Oh, that's not good. Looks okay. Came out from the tree. Oh, right over the tree. Come on. All right, time to call it quits. This thing has been through enough amusement. Hey, it made it back to the car. Nice.